Welcome again. Lastly, let's also test about the delete request performance with JMeter. So let's go over to JMeter and I'll just work on the latest project that we have seen for the put to do items. So I'll just copy this like we did last time and paste it and then rename it. Delete by ID test. Okay. So everything other than get request, this is a delete request. And I'll be deleting the item at 146 because 146 here is not true because now let me tell you, I am running another session. I have actually stopped the application and the server is again rerun. So here, let us see get test and what are the items here, because every time the session is rerun, the browser is stopped and the server is restarted. All the because this is a SQL in-memory database, it recreates the old database items are removed. Okay, so if you run it again, so you will get the response data as ID1 and ID3. Only ID1 and ID3 are available. Let's delete ID3. Build a web app. Okay, you can also delete ID1 if you like, but let us delete ID3. So here 3 delete request, port number and localhost are all same because I have copied it anyway. And okay, it is just a delete request. View results tree. I'll just clear it because what it was saying, it was result tree was there, response data type. Okay, not found because it's not there. Okay, clear it. Delete by ID. If you click on this view results tree, let's see, delete by ID test. See, first time it's not found because it is deleted. Okay, and it is not found, so it is just deleted once, and obviously you'd expect it not found. First time everything is no content because it was updated properly in the database, and then it's not found. Okay, and if you look at get test and then clear it, rerun it, so you will find only item at ID1, learn C#. So that proves that delete by ID is also working with the JMeter in the concurrency setting environment where we have got 10 users and ramp up period of 1 second. So within 1 second, all the 10 users are created.